eXp Realty. Today, we will be showing you this beautiful, brand new front and back duplex in the beautiful neighborhood of Marine Gateway in Marpole. So Andre, you're going to be getting your license. Today, I will show you how to show a brand new, beautiful front and back duplex.
I'm excited, Melissa.
Are you ready?
Yes, let's do it.
Come on. So whenever we show a property, what are the three most important things?
Location.
Location, location, and location. This is the best location in Marpole. So look at all the buildings behind us. It's about a 5-minute walk to Marine Gateway.
You know what, Melissa? I love Marine Gateway because you have everything in small place. You have great restaurants like Neptune. We have cafe shop, we have TNT, we have bank, we have everything. Everything's there.
Yeah, all the banks, shopping. It's very convenient. There's a movie theater. So just 5 minutes. And also, of course, close to the Marine Gateway Skytrain station.
Yes.
Only 2 stations away from the airport. You know, only minutes to Richmond and minutes to Vancouver downtown. It's the most convenient location. Come on in and we'll take a look at the house from inside.
And this unit is staged and we have Michael here. We have a nice fireplace, electrical fireplace, and the gorgeous flooring and built-in lights. And we have a dining area and a very nice kitchen. Beautiful, gorgeous, modern open kitchen. It's got the light gray cabinets and stone countertop. And I love these black faucets. The accents is just so designer. Lovely. And also there's an overhang here where you can have 3 stools and just enjoy breakfast here. As a former chef, Andre, so what do you think about this kitchen?
I absolutely love this kitchen because look, it's so practical. Because look, if you're cooking every day, everything must be close by. So if you're washing dishes, you turn, you stir something, and then you open fridge, right? So everything must be in one-step distance. So I think I'm ready to make some red velvet cupcakes.
Red velvet cupcakes. Yes, and by the way, I really love this second entrance. This entrance, this door, exterior door, has built-in blinds. So you can actually turn it, right? And then that way it will be dark. And if somebody's knocking on your door, you turn it this way. And then you can see who it is, whether you want to open or not.
So practical, because I can always pick up my fresh herbs from the garden.
Yes, and this property has a huge side yard. You can definitely do some gardening for your herbs and vegetables. And as well, we have a gas pipe up in here, so you can do barbecue. So in the summer, you can barbecue here, and then you can cook in here.
Super convenient.
Very convenient as well. There is a single concealed garage separately with the open parking on the side.
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
So good.
Let's go upstairs and take a look.
Have a beautiful powder room with the honeycomb, black honeycomb flooring. Very contemporary, lots of sexy black accent lighting. On the main floor, on the way upstairs, we also have the laundry room with the utility room. So we have the washer, dryer, and we also have our electric panel
our internet system, our security system, and our energy efficient boiler. And we have our heat zones. We have 3 different heat zones. So very, very nicely done and very organized here. Hello everybody. This house also features a beautiful staircase with the modern black steel finish trim with the glass railing and beautiful lidded stairs and a very beautiful chandelier. On this side, when you come up to the top floor, you also have the utility closet. So the closet has the HRV at the top and also the air conditioning return. This is kind of a mechanical closet. So very good use of space. And yeah, it's got doors, so keep it quiet. And look at this gorgeous master bedroom.
Beautiful bed.
Yes, and it's got 2 side windows. And this bay window here also has a beautiful view. And I also want to show you how beautiful the finishings are in the master bathroom. I really love the bathrooms in this house. Look at all the beautiful marble finishing tiles on the floor.
Look like us.
Yes, they look like honeycomb.
Oh yeah, right.
And the bevel finish mirror, beautiful. And also the transition. The transition between the wood floor and the marble is seamless. That can tell you it's very high quality, experienced builder. And as well, we can see at the top here, there's air conditioning, central air conditioning, and heat recovery vent. Heat recovery vent is the HRV, which circulates fresh air into the home during the winter without opening the windows. It's an energy efficient feature. This is a beautiful bay window. Look at this. You can see the amazing view. Imagine waking up every morning to this amazing view. Three bedrooms upstairs. First bedroom, second bedroom, this beautiful shared bathroom for the kids. So on the top floor here, we have very efficient use of space, very nice, efficient hallway. We have the alarm here, and we have the heat switch here and another light switch. So on this side, we have 2 bedrooms, very good sized bedrooms. And this is the shared bathroom for these 2 bedrooms. The master bedroom on this side has its own bathroom that we showed you earlier. And look at the transition. Look at this beautiful tile. The transition is actually seamless, very smooth. You can tell.
What is that?
This is mosaic tiles, and then this is the transition from the wood to the tile, very smooth finishing. As well, you can see the accent trim. It's black accent trim and large bright windows. It's a beautiful shared bathroom for these 2 bedrooms. And on the other side, I will show you what we have on the hallway. Beautiful marble tiles and custom finish mirror. Just beautiful. So a tip when you take photos, when it's twilight, you want to open all the windows that are at the front and back. So that way, when they take a photo from outside, the lights will be shown to the outside.
and I also really love this backyard garden. It's got a lot of gardening space with topsoil ready for you to plant your tomatoes, your herbs, your spices.
Yeah, it's a nicely covered, right? So it's not very windy. So it's perfect for veggies.
Yes, convenient, located at the back, close to your kitchen at the back. I hope you will enjoy this lovely home with the back unit and backyard. So this is the front yard, and the back unit actually goes this way, to the back, and there's a side entrance. So this is the back unit. The top floor is 8033 and the basement is 8031. So this is the side entrance. I'll show you the back entrance with the backyard. Side of the duplex, 8031 and 8033. So we came in from that side entrance, and the basement has its own separate patio entrance. You also have a beautiful entrance from the garage right here. So very beautiful, lots of backyard space, and there's an air conditioning unit for each of the duplex. Very good value for this beautiful modern duplex. So what do you think, Andre?
It's wonderful.
Yes, and a beautiful, wonderful neighborhood and excellent convenient location. We look forward to seeing you here. This is waiting for the lucky buyer. Thank you.